This
So
one's
is this one is available in the other carriers also, like Metro or Cricket somewhere?
well, we're here for Boost today, so.
Or you don't have that knowledge, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one's not out yet, and I think this one's just going to Boost. So these two, I think are Boost.
So what can you explain the specs of the phone, the screen, storage?
Yeah, so 6.1 inch display on this one, so it's got a really nice handhold. The back is coated in polycarbonate, so it's going to be really good in terms of durability.
Okay.
And then it's running Android 12. We run a clean operating system on the Nokia devices, so the only thing that's installed on there is going to be whatever the carrier requires, so like the Boost app. Other than that, it's Android 12, just as Google intended it to be. So
Okay.
it's going to, out of the box, it's going to eat up less storage than all of the other ones, so you're really going to be able to use large chunk of that 32 gigs because there's not a lot of excess in there. 13 megapixel camera, 8 on the front.
13 the front camera, back
13
camera.
megapixels back here, and then 8 on the front.
So it's basically 2 cameras in total.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it has a depth camera as well. This
Okay.
phone is going to do portrait mode for us
Okay.
as well. And then it has face unlock.
Face recognition. So if it has a face recognition, what about the fingerprint? Does have?
The G100 is going to have both. It's going to have face
So
unlock.
which one is coming in June? What's the name on there?
This one's the C200, the Nokia C200.
C200, and that one, the one on display.
Is the Nokia G100.
Okay, this. Okay, what's the retail price of this device?
So it should come out around 119.
119, and later on the Boost will have their own promotions.
Yeah, and then I'll have their phones.
Okay, do you know how many MC battery it has?
4,000.
4,000.
Yeah,
Okay,
and it
that's
has an AI
average.
battery assistant in there, so it should keep you going for up to 2 days.